Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to come with a video on how to start your own business. Actually, during lockdown, we all know that we've been faced with circumstances whereby we've had to find ourselves being at home more. So I just wanted to show you the type of business that I decided to start. It's not something big, it's better than nothing. So I'm going to show you the things that I needed to actually start this small business. I'm partaking on a journey to doing handmade products at home. So you don't have to have office space in some special building, but you can just do it at the comfort of your own home. So I'm just going to show you a few things that I got to start me off. It wasn't a lot. It did make the difference. I decided to first start with scrubs and also lip glosses. But at this point in time, I told myself that I wanted to venture into starting a lip gloss business, but it was a failed attempt. A lot of the things that I needed, being in South Africa, it was difficult to find them, and especially with the lockdown current situation, I couldn't get any, and I'm still waiting for everything to go back to its normal functioning so that I can be able to start whatever I wanted to do with this business idea that I had. So for now, I just decided to start with what I had and see where it takes me. So I'm just going to show you a few things that I got, and I hope you guys are going to leave comments down in the section and suggestions on what I should add and what you would be looking forward to seeing on this channel. I am going to be doing more of beauty and business type of videos and just tips on how to actually start your own business and how to actually be your own boss. You don't need a lot of money, or some business ideas you can do with just using your phone. I think it's a sort of unboxing video with me. Yes, I've used most of the products, but I'm just going to show you a few stuff that for doing scrubs and mostly any handmade products, you are going to need carrier oils that are going to be used as a base for your products. So the carrier oils that I've been using thus far, it has been the grapeseed oil. You can get it at any wholesale shop that sells food. So I got myself this. I do advise that you get like bigger bottles of such things like your carrier oil, so that you don't keep going back to the shops and buying the same things. So we know that grapeseed oil is a light, it is a light oil, but it is a very good carrier oil if you're going to be creating handmade. Coconut oil, I went with the one that is odorless. My products are vegan and cruelty free, so anyone can use them because they are of natural. Oil is a natural carrier oil. I use this mostly when it comes to making my scrubs. Well, I think I got it at Discam. But like a few other small oils. It's almond oil, some castor oil. The castor oil, I do also use it when I'm making the lip oils because it's a bit thicker, so it does help with the consistency of the lip oils. Jojoba oil, this one is very good, especially for your skin, because it acts as a natural oil that is produced by the skin. So these are the oils that I have. And got essential oils. Essential oils, we all know that they are good for fragrance, and they are very good. They have specific functions depending on what you want to do with them. It's the sizes. So I do add those onto the lip oils, the scrubs. Mostly I use these just for fragrance. If I'm going to make a strawberry product and I want it to smell like strawberry, I am going to add this essential oil for the fragrance, and I am going to be sharing more about essential oils on another video separately. Do serve a very good purpose in products. My lip oils, you find that the others are plain and some I infuse like natural dried fruit, but some I do add like glitter. I had glitter that I had ordered for doing makeup, but I wasn't using it, so since I decided to start this business, I ended up having to add it into my lip. Moving forward, I do also have honey. Honey is a humectant, so you can use it in scrubs. It adds moisture onto your skin, so you can never go wrong with having this, because if you are going to be doing handmade products for people to use onto their bodies and skins, they have different types of skins and people react differently, so having this will help you, especially with disinfecting your environment before you start making the product, and actually disinfecting the containers that you'll be inserting the products. I got this at Discount. If you're going to be doing this type of a business, you do need like a container whereby you'll be mixing all of your ingredients in and measuring your ingredients. So for me, I had got myself 3 pairs of these jars. This is the biggest one, and I have 2 other more. So these help with mixing and also with measuring the ingredients that I'm going, especially with the oils. With my scrubs, normally I would want them to be a specific color and to smell a specific way. So to add on to the essential oils that I had showed you, I also went on to my local, I think I bought them at Pick n Pay. It is the food coloring. I got them in different colors just to change the color of the sugar that I'll be using, because you do use sugar when you're going to be doing scrubs. So I did go and get myself food colorings, and also for the smell or fragrance, I furthermore added my essence. You find it at the baking aisle. So these are also ingredients that are very much important for me to add onto my scrubs, because you can't just be selling plain scrubs. It has to be attractive and colorful. And you also need these measuring spoons, so you can measure on this side and you can also measure on this side. So it's best that you get a bulk like this, and I got mine from, I think it's China Mall. Yeah, I got mine from China Mall, and it was very affordable and cheap. You are going to need containers that you are going to be adding your products into. So I had gotten a few of these containers from China Mall. I think I got a pack of 24 because I was just starting off and I didn't know whether people were going to buy and how much I'm going to need for. So I just started with 24, and it's not big, it's not small, it's just an average size. And I think it was plus minus 50 rands for a packet of 24 at China Mall. So from China Mall, I got these bags for packaging my products, and also these for packaging my products, so that at least it looks a bit professional. So I need to be appealing to people. So these are the bags that I have been using for my products. Right now I haven't been selling any products online. I only first sold my first batch to close friends where I work and colleagues, just so I could get feedback from them at first. So these were the packages that they were getting with the products. A pack of 10 of these size, the bigger size, and a pack of this size, it's also 10. These I haven't started using them, and they were 10 rands. It's mini plastic bags with gold polka dots, and it's black. So going to be making lip oils like me, you are going to need roller bottles. So I couldn't find any from Chinatown, so I went onto Google and searched where I could find roller bottles near me. So I across a site on Google where they do sell these roller bottles. So it's a 10 ml bottle. It comes, I think I got a packet of 50 if I'm not mistaken. So I got 50 and they came via the post office and they were in this box. And they also come with the tops. Rest of the other products I had to get off from Amazon. So they came in this box. It cost me, but it was a few of these containers and I have already used some of the containers. So it's this crystal round containers. There are 5 gram. I got 50 of these travel size lip scrubs so that I could do my lip scrubs and insert them here. The app on Amazon, you just type in what can you say, lip balm containers or whatever, so a lot of them will come up. But not all companies deliver to South Africa, but you just have to make sure that you insert your address when you create an account for Amazon so that they show you products that can be shipped to your area. Also got okay, let me take it out for you. A packet of these tubes. They 8 mils. It's lip gloss squeeze tubes. So these, I am going to be making lip glosses and putting them into these tubes. I got 50 of them and I have made some lip glosses, but I wasn't very happy with the outcome because I didn't have the popular lip gloss base. So I just stopped and decided to just wait until I get the lip gloss base so that I can start and make the lip gloss. So got these 60 ml syringes. I will be using these especially to put the lip gloss into the containers. If you are going to be making lip products or any type of handmade products, you are going to need like color powders to actually change the color of whatever you're making. So if you're making lip balms, you are going to need what they call mica powders. So I got these. It's 25, so there's 25 of these and it's different colors, especially for my lip products that I'll be introducing. If you are going to be starting this type of a business, you need to set yourself up a social media page. From there, you need to make sure that you try and upload whatever product that you have made so that you get yourself out there. It has been very much difficult because we know that we are in trying times in South Africa, so businesses are slacking. Even though I had this idea, but I cannot actually explore it as much as I want to because of current circumstances. But I will be sharing my journey with you guys, and I hope if you want to see anything from me, you are going to suggest it in the comment section down below, and you are going to share this video with people you think might be interested in starting a small business, because I'm also going to be sharing ideas on which type of businesses one can start in 2020. You don't need to have money, you don't need to have much money, so all you need is just your phone and internet access, and you are set to go, as long as you have the idea and the drive to actually do it. And from there, we'll take it one step at a time. Just do you, and don't forget that all businesses, they started small. They didn't sleep and wake up the next morning and they were doing millions and millions. You start from cents to rands and to a bit of hundreds to thousands. Otherwise, that is all from me today, and I hope I'm going to see you for my next video.